Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on iQIYI. iQIYI allows you to create a playlist to save and organize your favorite dramas, animes, and shows. So in order to do that, first of all, open up iQIYI application on your phone and then log into your account. Now from the home page, go ahead and find the movie, drama, or anime that you want to add to a playlist. After finding a drama, movie, or a content that you want to add on a playlist, you will then notice the plus button near the video on the left. Simply tap on the plus button and you will then be able to add the movie or the content to your playlist. Repeat this step for any other content you'd like to add to a playlist, and now you can find your playlist by going to the Me button at the bottom right and clicking on My List. You will then be able to see all of the contents that you've added to the playlist. Now you can binge watch your favorite shows anytime you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more iQIYI tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.